Welcome back to another Socialive Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll be embedding the Socialive Player into your Wix website. So let's start off in Socialive, and I'll come over and click my Socialive Player icon. And from here, I will click the caret and click on Edit, which will take me to Socialive's dashboard where I can copy our embed code. Now let's copy this embed code and head back over to Wix. So from Wix, we'll click on the Add button. We'll go down to More. From More, we'll go to Embeds, and we want the HTML embed option here. So we can click on that, drag it into our website, and from here, we'll click on Enter Code, and this is where we paste our embed code. We'll hit Apply. I can close this out. And now our Socialive Player is embedded on our Wix website. So back in Socialive, I will start a broadcast just so we can see this thanks for watching card that I have going. I'll come back to Wix to confirm that we can see it live streaming on our website, and you can. And it's a quick, easy step with getting connected Socialive and Wix. You just need to, like I said, get your embed code and add the embed HTML option via Wix. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to watch any of our videos here on our Quick Start Guide playlist on YouTube, or you can contact us at socialive.us. Thank you very much for watching, and happy broadcasting.